Well, I think Mike was just such an avid Arkansas State fan. He went to school here, graduated, absolutely loved the football. Matter of fact, loved the entertaining part of football, probably more so than the game.
He was a real big tailgate guy, and back when the tailgate didn't look like anything it looks like now.
There would be times when we were one of maybe 3 tents out there. We would feed anybody that came through.
He knew how important it was for us to have a good football program, and great football programs have great tailgate areas and great community involvement, and he epitomized that.
He was a history fan, but when he learned that Clint Hill was going to go out on the road on a speaking tour, he did everything he could to get him here. That was one of the highlights of anything he's been able to do out here.
So we create a lecture series in the Griffin College of Business as well. One of our goals here on our campus is to bring our community onto our campus and to make opportunities available here that aren't normally available outside of our campus. And so bringing in renowned speakers will provide a real great opportunity for our community to learn more about the world around them, but also to bring their family onto campus and learn more about campus as well.